In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use customer accounts in Shopify the right way. Whether you want to give your shoppers a more personalized experience or you're simply looking to build stronger relationships and encourage repeat purchases, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know to set it up quickly and efficiently. First, open your Shopify admin dashboard and go to the Settings section at the bottom left corner of the screen. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Customer Accounts. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details, because this is where you control how customers log in and manage their profiles. Next, click on Customer Accounts to open the account settings. You'll see several options that help you manage how customers sign in, view their orders, and interact with your store. Follow the on-screen instructions step by step as they appear. Shopify keeps everything clean and user-friendly, so there's nothing too technical to worry about. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your store theme supports customer accounts, confirm you're logged in as the store owner or admin, and decide ahead of time whether you want a modern or traditional login experience. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary confusion later on. Once you're inside the customer account settings, enable the Sign In link option. This adds a login or profile icon to your storefront, usually in the top right corner. After that, choose how customers will access their accounts. You can allow one-time login codes sent by email for a modern, password-free experience, or enable the legacy option so customers can log in using an email and password. After saving your changes, you should be able to offer customer accounts without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to test the login process yourself using a test customer account. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and keeps your customer experience polished and secure. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to use customer accounts in Shopify easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who are setting up their Shopify store. Why not make someone's day easier?